This is not about participating. This is not about not participating. This is about all of us removing one common nonsense. The moment you started to say to yourself, when you want to remove nonsense, let's just unite and remove nonsense, we will remove it. But as long as we want to speak, we want to reason, we want to do whatsoever, there is no way we can remove nonsense. If one,
Absolutely.
if one, do you know Dobbs is here? He can tell you. Because I myself, I can tell you, okay, you know what? There was a time I said to everyone, guys, here is the deal. Why can't we do 1, 2, 3 and deal with these guys? Do you know what other people are thinking? The moment right now, as Zimbabweans, we come together, we start to say, guys, this is the task that we should do. And we have to make sure that we don't miss anything. Do you know that one person among us will start to say, oh, you know what? If by tomorrow Mnangagwa is removed and he uses ZANU-PF nonsense, I am going to be a leader. But you haven't achieved anything. Wait for the achievement. No, I'm going to be a president. I will contest. I will do this. Apa usati unoza vaZimbabweans takafanana nemunhu ari kufunga kuti ndikanonga dhora ndoita sei. Wobva watanga kutoona image yedhora, wobva watanga kutoti ndinotenga chingwa, imwe ndosiyirawo mukadzi, handozinomupa zvitsi. That's the common Zimbabwean that we have. And there is no way you are going to run away from that. Why? Because the moment you are planning to do something that is good, someone is saying, no, it should be me who is going to be a president. But you haven't achieved anything. That's the boring part. Or right now you are planning, okay, we are going to do 1, 2, 3. Someone tomorrow is selling the information to the same people that you want to deal with. So how are you going to solve the problem? The problem needs people. The problem needs people who are themselves to say, you know what, we want to achieve something. And our measurable target should be what we have achieved, not what we perceive to want to achieve. So that's, to me, that's the thing. I know, remember, even if you did not go, they would come and say, patakaisa nhanikire makaramba kuinda. Vakauya, because already they had vanhu vavaida kuti vangouya vazosanitize that nonsense. So your mere presence or your absence was not going to solve anything unless everyone was going to say, I'm not going to go there. But remember, kuna mwanga watobhadharwa mari vachikwidzwa mabhazi, and vanhu vaikwidzwa mabhazi uri kuvaziva kuti even in Matabeleland, those people were not from Matabeleland, right? I'm not saying these words because ndiri kutaura zvamanatsa mukama. You know me, brother Ndava. I am not a guy of manatsa mukana. I am telling you reality as it is. Vanhu vaikwidzwa mabhazi vese vaya, they were from one point. Anyone who was asking about buses, mabhazi ari kwaMarange ndokwaakavanda, mabhazi ari kumapostora ndokwaakavanda, right? And unless and until you deal with all those issues, because right now you are saying, okay, we wanted to make a plan about how to help these nurses. I heard someone saying, yeah, oh, okay, you know what? Even if you want to raise something for them, ZANU-PF will come to you and say, no, why can't you give that money through us? Because you have to know them, right?
Actually, it's not a question of helping nurses, Mkoma champion. We are helping ourselves. Nurses, what they are doing, they are helping us. We should also try our own means or ways to show our displeasure to this government. Ukubambisana, sisonke. What nurses have started, it's very good. I hope teachers will follow suit once the schools open. And isusu torova maparliament sepovo Any parliamentarian waunoona Rova?
Naindaba wakuinside violence.
Ndiyo language inonzisikana neZANU-PF kuya iyoyo. Parliamentarian wose waunoona pamugwagwa supermarket Rova usatambise.
Champion wakanyarara vanhu vachidzinowa
No,
Daba.
I'm just like asking myself, where is this going?
What about Pauya Lieutenant? But vekuchiredzi vanombozviita izvozvo.
Vape lieutenant vangatozoti vamemba
Vekuchiredzi vanombokuzviita izvozvi, saka vanhu vachizoti uko ndekwabenzi vanenge vachidaro kuti vanhu vacho vange nenyaya yekuti panenge pasisina direction, kuti unenge usingazivi kuti chichakusevha ndechipi. Kwese pawatsika wakaiswa munzwa chavazama kuita hachibudiriri, waita ichi hachibudiriri. Saka vanhu vanozopedzisira vasisazivi kuti angakusevhe ndeupi. Saka kuzotaura naparliamentarian kana nani kunenge kusisabetseri. Akauya achitaura zvaanotaura, vanhu vanenge vasinganzwisisi kuti zvine musoro here kana kuti hazvina musoro, chero zvine musoro pazuva iroro. But anenge atove suspect kuti sei izvozvi zvinhu zvisiri kutifambira. Saka ndo panonetsa ipapo. Vanhu vachizoita pfungwa dzakaita sezandava.
Welcome to Zim One, a platform where every voice matters and every idea counts. This is a space dedicated to nation building, shaped by the thoughts, hopes, and lived experiences of the people of Zimbabwe. From the streets to the classrooms, from farms to factories, from elders to the youth, we bring together brilliant points from different gatherings of citizens across our nation. These are conversations rooted in reality, driven by patriotism, and guided by the belief that Zimbabwe's future is built by its people. Here, we listen, we reflect, and we share ideas that inspire unity, progress, and sustainable development. This channel is not about politics alone. It is about solutions. Not about division, but about collective responsibility. Join us as Zimbabweans from all walks of life contribute insights that strengthen our communities, uplift our nation, and shape the Zimbabwe we all want to see. This is our voice. This is our vision. This is nation building together.